nest in a log, and then I picked in there, and all the little baby birds opened their mouths. And I didn't have any worms, so I just left. Hello! Today we will be learning how to sharpen. Not sharpen, but make sure bamboo isn't so rough and sticky and bamboo. So this
Good
is
material.
bamboo, and yeah, it's actually pretty hard.
It is.
So we have a leather man with a knife here. So we're going to put it in. If you're right-handed, I'm left-handed, so I use this hand. If you're right-handed, you can put it in this hand. But I'm left-handed, so you have to put it in this hand. So you hold it like that with all your fingers. Then you put the thing over there on the bamboo, and then you slowly push with your thumb, and then it'll cut a shaving of bamboo. Like this thing.
Little shavings.
Yeah.
So what do you have to be careful of?
So holding the bamboo, you can't sharpen like that, because you could slip, and then you could cut that.
Gotta watch out for the finger down at the bottom.
Yeah. So then keep it low down like that. And always make sure that you're not getting the knife the wrong way around. Otherwise, you could cut your thumb off. So make sure, if you have one of these whole things, make sure it's at the top, not the bottom. And don't forget to always cut away from your body. If you're cutting like this, you could cut your tummy open. So then you must always cut away from your body. Yeah. That's it. DIY with Dad. Well.
Yes.
Yeah.
With Dad.
But I'm not here, so.
Here I am.
Yeah, he's filming. So. Yeah. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, though. Bye.